Identify the match between the type of chromosomes and their description. Alright, so we have to identify the correct match between the type of chromosomes and their description. Okay, now metacentric. What is metacentric? Metacentric is at the middle. Okay, submetacentric means slightly away from the middle. All right, acrocentric is it's near the tip, almost near the tip, okay. And telocentric means exactly at the tip. Okay, so the correct option is E. Identify the atoms in column 1 with the items in column 2 and choose the correct answer. See here, triglyceride, animal hormones, feathers and leaf, phospholipid, or it is fat stored in the form of droplets. So triglyceride goes with 4. Membrane lipid is phospholipids. Steroids is an animal hormone. And wax found in feathers and leaves. Okay, so the correct option is A. Next question. Given below is a diagrammatic representation of one of the categories of small molecular weight organic compounds in the living tissue. Identify the category shown and the one blank component X in it. See, this component here is uracil. Okay, and the category is nucleoside. Next. See, the next question says, this is dealing with cell division, okay. The Pachydien stage of meiosis, the chromosomes appear. See, in Pachydien phase, chromosomes gets crossed. Okay, they get crossed and they form tetrads. So it is 4-stranded. Alright. Next. The best stage to count the number of chromosomes during mitosis or structure of chromosomes can be seen at metaphase. See, it is during metaphase where the chromosomes gets arranged at equatorial region. Okay. So the ideogram and the morphology. So the arrangement of chromosome and the morphology, they both can be studied best at metaphase. Next question. In meiosis, the centromere divides during. Is it during prophase 1? No. Metaphase 1, anaphase 1 or anaphase 2. The correct option is anaphase 2. Okay. See, in meiosis 2, the equatorial centromere divides and the chromatids move towards opposite pole. So during anaphase 2, what happens is, anaphase 2 is a part of meiosis 2. It's one of the stages of meiosis 2. Now in anaphase 2, what happens is, there is an equational division of centromere. Okay, and the centromere moves or divides chromatids Where does the chromatids move now? Towards opposite poles. Okay, so these would move towards pole, and all these happens during anaphase 2. Next, in which phase of mitosis the chromosomes are arranged at the equator of spindle? Answer is metaphase, where the ideogram and the morphology of the chromosomes can be studied best. Next question. DNA replication takes place in interphase. See, interphase is the longest phase, and here growth is occurring. Okay, this is also called as growth phase. So DNA replication would occur in interphase. Next, the homologous chromosome follow the process of synapses in the stage or pairing of homologous chromosome takes place in zygotine. It is during zygotine where the zygotine is a stage of prophase where chromosomes pairing and crossover occurs. Okay, so homologous chromosomes pairing occur. So the correct option is zygotine. Next, prophase of reductional division is divided into a number of stages. The correct chronological sequence is, so the correct option, the different stages of prophase is leptotene, then zygotine, then pectine, diplotene, and then dikinesis. Alright, next. Which of the following structure will not be common to mitotic cell of higher plants? Cell plate, centromere, centriole, or spindle fibers? So this is mostly, see, centriole formation for spindle fibers is found in most animal and some plant cells. In meiosis 1, a bivalent is an association of, see, it is association of 4 chromatids and 2 centromeres. Okay, so there are 2 centromeres to which 4 chromatids are attached. Always remember, a bivalent means attachment of 4 chromatids and 2 centromeres. A somatic cell cycle. So in the somatic cell, DNA replication takes place in the S phase. Okay, it's a characteristic feature of S phase. DNA replication takes place in the S phase, and during the growth phase, only growth is occurring. It will not undergo division. All right. Next, how many meiotic division would be required to produce 101 gametophyte in an angiosperm? Okay, so 101 meiotic division would be required. Okay. Next question. Calcium dependent kinases can control cell cycle activities. It can control cell cycle activities. So the question says match the following with correct combination. See, endoplasmic reticulum, the function is detoxification of drug. It's a function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then spherosome are involved in synthesis and storage of lipids. Okay. Then dictosomes, these are stack of cisternae. Peroxisomes are used in photorespiration. They are involved in photorespiration, and elioplasts are involved in storage of oils or fats. So the correct option is A. Next, cells obtained from an organism were homogenized and centrifuged. A test indicates that cell contains glycogen. If you were to find out quickly whether the cells were from a plant or animal, you would examine the centrifuge for the presence and extract of chloroplasts. Answer immediately that the cells were from plant source. Examine the centrifuge for the presence of centrioles. Answer immediately that the cells were from an animal source. See, the answer would be immediately that it is from the plant source because see, it is in the plants that the fats are stored in the form of glycogen. Okay? Next. Now next are assertions. Assertions would be following these next set of questions. First, there are some more questions which says cellulose, the most important constituent of plant, is made up of branch chain of glucose molecules linked by A16 glycoside bond, the site of branching. Unbranched chain of glucose molecules linked by alpha 1,4 glycoside bond. Branch chain of glucose molecules linked by alpha 1,4 glycoside bonds in straight chain. And alpha 1,6 glycoside bond at the site of branching, or it has unbranched chain of glucose molecule linked by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond. The correct option is unbranched chain of glucose molecule linked by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond. Next question. Which of the following statements are false? Most cells are tiny and their volume ranges from 1 to 1000 nanometer is a correct statement. All cells arise from pre-existing cell. Yes, this is also correct. This is also correct. In plant, translocation of solutes is performed by xylem vessel and tracheids is correct. According to the cell theory, cell arise from abiotic material. No, cell theory, this statement is completely wrong. Cells arise from cell, pre-existing cell only. Okay, so they arise from pre-existing cell. Okay, then even this statement, the translocation of the solute is performed by xylem and tracheids. This is a wrong statement. Okay, and some cells have microvilli to increase the absorption of surface area. This is a perfectly correct statement. Most cells are tiny and their volume ranges from 1 to 1000 meter. No. So the correct option is actually A, which says A, D and E are false. Next question. Which of the following has centrioles? So it is the centrosomes which have centrioles. Alright, next says disulfide bonds acts on atomic staples to reinforce the conformation of proteins are found in endoplasmic reticulum. One of the following serves as a temporary storage place for proteins and other components synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum. See, temporary storage place for proteins is dictosomes. Alright. Next question. One of the cell organelles cell to functions as the trigger of cell division. The answer is lomosome. Alright. Next. Perochisomes are involved in the synthesis of fatty acids. Next. Housekeeping proteins are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, or cyto. All three are called as housekeeping proteins. Okay. Next, which of the following four cell structure is correctly matched with their accompanied description? Plasma membrane is the outer layer of the cellulose or chitin is absent. Mitochondria, bacteria-like element with inner membrane forms sacs containing chlorophyll found in plants and cell algae. Chloroplast, bacteria-like element with inner membrane highly folded. Golgi apparatus is stacks of flattened vesicles. Okay, so which of the following four structures is correctly matched with their correct? See, out of these, B statement is correct, C statement is also correct, and D statement is also correct. Okay, now plasma membrane outer layer of cellulose or chitin is absent, wrong statement. Okay, so the correct option would be A, which says B, C, and D are correct. Next question. Consider the following statement and select the correct option. The endomembrane system includes plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, and vacuoles. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in the transportation of substance, synthesis of proteins, lipoproteins, and glycogen. Ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis. Mitochondria helps in oxidative phosphorylation and generation of ATP. So the correct option is A, B, C, and D are correct statements. Okay. Next question. Which one of A, D given below correctly represents the structural formula of basic amino acid? So the correct option, basic amino acid का structure is B, NH2, C, to which acid group is attached, then CH2, and then OH. This is the correct answer. Okay, next we are moving on to now assertions. So here we have to find out, we have to say option A when assertion is also true and reason is also true, and reason is a correct explanation for A. Let's first see this. The assertion says mitochondria and chloroplast are semi-autonomous organelles. So the assertion is true. They are formed by division of pre-existing organelles as well as contain DNA but lack protein synthesizing machine. Now this statement is false. Now when the assertion is true and the statement is false or the reason is false, the option that you're going to take is C. Next, it is important that organisms should have cell. A cell keeps its chemical composition steady within its boundary. Now both of these statements are correct. Okay. And this is a correct explanation for the first statement. So the correct option is A. Now in the previous question, where we said mitochondria and chloroplast are semi-autonomous organelle. Okay. Now what do we mean by that? See, understand that mitochondria and chloroplast, they both have own DNA. Okay. And they arise from pre-existing cells. Okay. Next, chiasmata is formed during diplotin. Now this statement is true. Chiasmata are formed due to deposition of nucleoprotein. Now this statement is false. See, understand, the point of attachment between homologous chromosome, okay, now after partial dissociation of the nucleophase complex, this point of attachment between the homologous chromosome after partial dissolution of the nucleophile complex is known as chiasmata. Okay. Now this process wholly occurs during diplotin. So this statement is correct. Okay. And chiasmata formed due to deposition of nucleoprotein? No, this statement is false. So the correct option is C. Next, meiotic division results in production of haploid cells, which is true. Okay, remember here during meiosis there is a reduction in the genetic component. Haploid cells are produced. Haploid. Okay, so this statement is true. Reason, synapses occurs during zygote of meiosis. Now this statement is also true, right? So the correct option would be A. Dealing with some more questions of MCQs based on structural organization and elements. The question says identify the odd one out. Now the options given is stomach, heart, kidney and digestive system. Now understand, stomach is an isolated organ, so is heart, so is kidney. On the other hand, digestive system is an organ system. So the correct option here is D. This is the odd man out. Next. Epithelial tissue serves as, options given are protective covering, reproductive structures, corpuscles or nerve cell. Okay. Now the entire skin that is covering our body is made up of epithelial tissue. So its main function is protection. So epithelial tissue serves as a protective covering. Next question. Cells of squamous epithelium. See, squamous means flattened. The word itself means flattened. Okay. Cells of squamous epithelium are, now the options given is tall with elongated nuclei. No, these are flattened cells. Option B says cube-like. No again. C, flat and tile-like. So this is the correct option because the word squamous itself means these are flattened. Next. The epithelium found in the inner lining of the stomach and intestine. Okay. Now the epithelium which is lining inside of the stomach and intestine is columnar. Okay. So how will it be? It will be in form of flat columns like this way. So the correct option is A. Okay. Structure is called as simple columnar epithelium. Next. the type of fibers found in connective tissue. Okay, so connective tissue, collagen fibers, elastin fibers, fibroblasts. See, all of these fibers are found in connective tissue. So the correct option is D. Next. Most of the cells of areolar tissue. See, areolar tissue has fibroblast, it has macrophages, it has mast cell, etc. So if you see, areolar tissue has all of these. So the option is D. See, the question says ligaments and tendons are, they are asking us it is which type of tissues. Okay, see, ligaments are yellow elastic fibers. Okay, whereas white tendons they are collagenous and fibrogenous. So they are very fibrous. Both of them are connective tissue. Next, choose the correctly matched pair. Okay. Tendon is a specialized connective tissue. This statement is true. Adipose tissue is a dense connective tissue. Areolar tissue is a loose connective tissues. Okay. So the correct option here is areolar tissue is loose connective tissue. Okay. They have less connective tissue and more spaces between them. Next. Cartilage. Cartilage is formed by osteoblasts. No, osteoblasts are bone forming cells. Okay. So cartilage is neither formed by osteoblast, neither by fibroblast, neither by mast cell. It is formed by chondrocytes. Okay. Now what are these chondrocytes? These are mature cartilage. Okay, and they occur in groups or within spaces which is called lacunae. Alright. Now these chondrocytes, they secrete a flexible matrix which is called as chondrin, and eventually cartilage is formed. So the correct option is C. Next question. Which one of the following is not a connective tissue? Okay. See, bone is a connective tissue, cartilage is a connective tissue, as well as blood. Blood is also a connective tissue. See, all these three are connective tissues. So the option that is left is muscles. Okay. So the option is muscles. Next. Which set clearly identifies striated muscles? Okay, so let's read out the option. The first option says cylindrical, syncytial and unbranched. See, this is actually the best application. Remember, the word syncytial here, it means it is multinucleated with single plasma membrane. Alright, so the correct option is A. Unstriped muscles. Unstriped muscles. Are they found in neck? No. Urinary bladder? Yes. So unstriped muscles are found in urinary bladder. Okay. Now these are also, see these unstriped muscles are widely distributed. Okay. These are widely distributed in GI tract, uterus, urinary bladder, iris, ciliary body, blood vessels, etc. So all of these places you would find unstriped muscles. Next. Muscles responsible for the movement of food in the stomach. We just said unstriated muscles are found in the GI tract. Okay, so the answer is A. Cardiac muscle fibers are, see these are striated and they are involuntary. What do you mean by involuntary? Whose movements are not in our control. See, we can't say to our heart that beat now and now don't beat. So these are not in our control. So cardiac muscles are striated and they are involuntary. So movement not under our control. A muscle tissue which is striated, involuntary and rhythmic. See, the word rhythmic gives us an important clue. We know our heart beats at 72 beats per minute and it shows a rhythmic sound which is lup dub. Alright, so the muscle tissue which is involuntary as well as it is rhythmic, okay, and it is striated is cardiac muscle. Next, which of the following is regarded as a unit of nervous tissue? Now this we are studying since primary. Neurons are the structural unit, basic unit of nervous system. So the basic unit of nervous system is neurons. Right. See, in brain alone, we have near about 1 into 10 raised to 12 neurons. So their structure is abundant. Next. Cockroaches are omnipresent. What do you mean by omnipresent? Present everywhere. Nocturnal, so these are active during nights. They are omnivorous, feeds on others, other living things. So the correct option is D. Okay, next. Now we're going to have a whole set of questions based on cockroaches. Okay, so the next question says the sterna and pleura of cockroach body are joined by. Now what is the sterna? See this sterna sterna and pleura. They are chitinous hardened plate. Okay, so these are made up of chitin. So they are chitinous and hardened plates. Chitinous as well as they are hardened plates. Okay, so these are chitinous hardened plates which are covering the body. Okay, and they are joined end to end to form arthrodial membrane. So the correct option is C.